Hello guys, this is our second chapter एतबार of our Urdu syllabus, Urdu book अपनी ज़ुबान. So in this chapter, the chapter एतबार, it means trust. In this chapter, writer want to explain explain a story in which he says a person whose name was Baba Bharti was loving a horse, a beautiful horse. So in the same village, there was another person who was known as a villain of the village, who was called Kulhan. Once he listened about the horse Sultan of Baba Bharti. He came to visit Sultan. When he looked at that horse, he felt such horse should be mine. Therefore, and saying such words to Baba Bharti, he went out. Once Baba Bharti was going somewhere. He changed his shape and went to Baba Bharti. He called Baba Bharti, "Oh Baba, help me! Oh Baba, help me!" So there is a matter, an event, how he captured his horse. At last, Baba Bharti says, "Oh Mr. Kulhan, don't say don't say anybody about the matter." If then Kulan asked, "Why are you saying don't say about the matter? Don't say anybody about the matter." That time Baba Bhatt said, "If anybody will listen, a person became a person steal my horse by changing his shape as a making face of poor. He stolen my horse, so nobody will trust on a poor person. So please don't say anybody about the event." Okay, this is the short of the story. So let us start in detail. एतबार. माँ को अपने बेटे और ज़मींदार को अपने लहलहाते हुए सरसब्ज़ो शादाब खेत देखकर जो खुशी होती है, वही खुशी बाबा भारती को अपना घोड़ा देखकर होती थी. मदर लुकिंग एट हर सन and a landowner looking at waving verdantly and a bloom field. He felt happiness, the same happiness Baba Bharti was feeling when he was looking at his horse. ये घोड़ा बड़ा खूबसूरत था. That horse was very beautiful, so beautiful. उसके मुकाबले का घोड़ा सारे इलाके में न था. Equal to that horse, there was no any horse in whole region. बाबा भारती उसे सुल्तान कहकर बुलाते थे. बाबा भारती was calling that horse सुल्तान. अपने हाथ से खरेरा करते. बाबा भारती was brushing that horse by his hand. अपने हाथ से दाना खिलाते और देख कर खुश होते. बाबा भारती was feeding that horse by his hand and he was feeling happiness looking at that horse. सुल्तान से जुदाई का ख्याल भी उनके लिए नाकाबिल बर्दाश्त था. Even just a thought of detachment, parting from Sultan, was unbearable for Baba Bharti, was intolerable for Baba Bharti. उनको वहम हो गया था कि मैं इसके बगैर ज़िंदा न रह सकूँगा. He was thinking that I could not live without the horse Sultan. वो उसकी चाल पर फरेफ्ता थे. बाबा भारती was mad for his acting. He was saying, वो कहते थे, इस तरह चलता है जैसे ताऊस ओदी ओदी घटाओं को देखकर नाच रहा हो. He was saying the horse Sultan walks like like a peacock, dances looking purple clouds. गांव के लोग इस मोहब्बत पर हैरान थे. Villagers were shocked on such a love. बाज़ वक्त कंखियों से इशारे भी करते थे. Sometimes they were indicating through their eyes. मगर बाबा भारती को इसकी परवाह न थी. बट बाबा भारती वॉज नॉट कैरिंग देम. जब तक शाम को वो सुल्तान पर सवार होकर 8-10 मील का चक्कर न लगाते उन्हें चैन न आता था. बाबा भारती वॉज नॉट गेटिंग रेस्ट until he was taking a roundup on taking 8 or 10 miles roundup riding on Sultan. At evening, Baba Bharti was not getting rest. So friends, here the word chal means acting style, walking style, walking action. Farefta hona is proverb. It means to be mad for something, somebody. Odi means Odi. That is this is monas, female, masculine. The it means purple. Odi ghata, purple clothes. Ghata means ghata is singular. Its plural is ghatao. That is monas, so it should be ghataएं. But after ghata, the word ko means alamat maful has occurred. Therefore, we had made it ghatao. Okay, it is enough for this session. Okay.